it's Rebecca of the Tanksley Monge team. Thanks for coming to see 4047 Millagra in the beautiful Pala Mesa exclusive gated community of Tecolote Oaks. 4047 Millagra was built in 2000. It is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3270 square feet of single-story elegant opulence. If you are looking for tranquility, this is on 1.68 acres. It is beautiful and peaceful, and you will be amazed at the elegant, sophisticated details that you are going to see throughout this home.